Alright guys, what's up? You already know who it is, your boy JP coming to y'all with another install. Today we have a 2010 Ford Escape, and we're going to be taking the radio out, putting in a Pioneer double DIN unit. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I want to do is take my panel removal tool, come right here in this edge right here on both sides, release some of those clips, and then pull this out. Now this does have the passenger airbag harness right there, but I actually don't need to take that out. I can just remove that and put it up top, that way I don't have to disconnect that. And then we have two 7mm right here at the top that we need to take out. All right, next what we're going to do is take our panel removal tool one more time, come down here at the bottom, come right here and take this panel off. One thing that it is good to do, once you get this down enough, go ahead and stick it down on this side right here and get that last clip. Pull that out. We'll disconnect all these harnesses, and once we disconnect all these harnesses, we have two more 7mm back there in the back. Let me turn the light on. All right, and now that we got those 7mm out, it's gonna give us our radio. Let me pull this shifter knob back real quick. Stuff up out of there. Right. Let's go ahead and disconnect some of these harnesses. Alright, so here we have the factory dash, and this is the aftermarket. I went on ahead and put the brackets on, that way it looks all nice and flush like that. So first thing we got to do is take this out. So we have, turn it over to the back, we got some T20 Torx that we're going to take this whole thing out and put it right here. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, man. Beautiful color match by Metro. I love using these dash kits. We got the steering wheel controls working just fine. Everything's working perfectly. No backup camera on this one, but that's pretty much it. If you guys find any value in this video, go ahead and slam that like button. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, this is JP the Install Guy signing out.